Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. We have a new pair of Arcat shoes. So this one was on clearance, so the box is pretty beat up, but I got such a good deal on it, so I went ahead and purchased them. But these are Ferrari Arcats. But yeah, the box is pretty beat up, but it was really cheap. Definitely under MSRP. So here are the shoes. And they look very similar to all the BMW Arcats that I have. The logo, it's raised up a little bit. It's kind of cool. The glue looks really good on this, where you don't see too much glue residue. Maybe because it's the red on white. It kind of hides a lot of the glue residue. You don't really see it much on here. All the stitching. Yeah, the stitching looks really good on here. Couple marks on it. So this toe. So what I noticed with Arcat, Puma Arcats, once you start wearing it a lot, you'll see a little crease develop right here. It's just, there's no really stitching or anything. It's one piece right here. And then as you walk, this curves up and it causes the crease. But I still really like these shoes. They're pretty comfortable. They run pretty small. I wear a size 10.5 in a lot of other brands like Nike's, Adidas. But on Pumas, for Arcats especially, I wear 11.5 to 12. They're pretty narrow right here. So if you have wider feet, these probably don't fit very well. There's the inside. There's the model number. There's the foam insert. Stickers coming off. Let's just take that off. And here's what the inside looks like. It's blue residue right there. I wonder if this was kind of glued on there before. But I don't see any stitching in there. Maybe this is just a cover. Let's see the other side. So here's the right shoe. Oh, there's a little bit of imperfection, the stitching. The rest of the stitching looks really good. There's a number for that one. Let's look at the inside, see what it looks like. So it's identical. We'll peel the sticker off. So soft foam inserts. And here's the inside of the right shoe. So both of them have this little, it looks like glue residue. It almost looks like this should have been glued to it. Maybe during the manufacturing they used this for something. But both shoes have that little residue right there. Interesting. It looks like it feels like hot glue that has dried. But yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the Ferrari Arcats. Put the inserts back in and let me know if you have any questions. Comfort wise, they're pretty comfortable. So I fold this like this and then slide the insert in. It keeps the shape, and then once you get it all the way down. Press this down so it lines up. And both shoes, like that. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions. These are my first Ferrari Puma Arcats. So we'll start a new collection. Eventually later, we'll have to get a Ferrari to match the shoes. Goals. But all right, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.